Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by selecting the cells or column where 0 matters. This immediate selection saves time. Next, set the cell format to general or number because text will block numeric behavior. Type 0 directly or press apostrophe, then 0 to force text 0 when you need a visible placeholder. Once done, press enter and confirm the 0 stays. Make sure to avoid accidental formulas like equals 0 plus, which can change formatting. This gets you into a correct baseline to continue. Now control visibility. Open File, Options, Advanced and toggle show a 0 in cells so Excel either displays or hides zeros globally. This affects all sheets. For local control, apply a custom number format like 0, -0, at which prints nothing for 0 but preserves numbers otherwise. Alternatively, use formulas such as if A1 equals 0, A1 to replace zeros with blanks in results. Once applied, test several cells to confirm consistent display. If not, finish by locking the results. Copy and paste special values to remove formula-driven zeros while keeping the display. Once done, inspect conditional formatting rules and linked sheets because hidden rules often reintroduce zeros. Fix or remove those rules. If things still look wrong, press Ctrl and the backquote key to toggle formulas view and spot the source quickly. Make sure to save a backup before bulk changes so you can revert. This final check prevents accidental data loss and keeps zeros behaving as intended.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.